Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Cephas, they campaign for Godwin Obaseki. Make I leave you with the video, make you for hear everything wey you don talk concerning Obaseki, Adam Soshomole, and Pastor Sage Zeyamu. Enjoy the video.
We are marching forward, Edo people. We are marching forward, Edo people. Edo people, Edo people, Edo people. We are marching forward, Edo people. No more retrogression. We are marching forward, Edo people. We are marching forward, Edo people. Edo people, Edo people, Edo people. We are marching forward, Edo people. The mega book of promises kept. To all my Edo people all around the world, we cannot condescend so low to have a reflection of Egypt, not to talk about going back to Egypt. Why? Because Egypt happened to be a land of slavery, land of oppression to our own people. But we thank God today we have a great leader, a brother, a father, an uncle, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki and Shaibu. These are great mentors. We must come together to embrace this emancipation. I personally, I am begging Edo youth. I am begging Edo youth. And I will give us reasons why I'm begging Edo youth. The reason is this. Time has come for us to stop using our own ends to afflict our own selves. How long are we going to continue to afflict ourselves by our own selves? I am begging the 1% of Edo youth who are yet to understand the great developmental movement that is ongoing right now in Edo State. I gave it 1% because 99% of Edo youth are already with His Excellency Godwin Obaseki and his deputy Shaibu. So I am begging. The reason why I am begging is this. From the way His Excellency talks, from the way he has been addressing the entire state, you and I can attest to it. That he's longing for everybody. He's calling on everybody. He did not come for some certain people. He has come for everybody. He came for everybody and is calling on everybody to come and join this ongoing development. You should come and join. I will address us much about public offices. The few youth that are still out there without the understanding of public office. Public office means it's not anybody's office. If it's anybody's office, that means it is your office, it is my office. It is everyone's office. If you build yourself, you can be governor. If you build yourself, you can be deputy. If you build yourself, you can be councillor. If you build yourself very well, you can be local government chairman. So, now, where did we get the sense of hailing some particular set of people as if we are no humans like them? As if they have 10 heads and we just have only one. Why are we glamoring? Why are we projecting them? Why are we supporting them to continue to perpetrate their evils? Let's really come to think about it. What mountain do you think Adaso Shomole can move alone? What mountain? Call the name of the mountain and let us take him there. Let him move that mountain alone. He can't. But he's still gallivanting because of the few numbers of our youth without the understanding that if they build themselves very well, they can be greater than Adams Oshomole. If they build themselves very well, they can be greater than Tony Kabaka in a more positive way. The time has come. Edo people, we have to embrace what is right. I am out here today because this is my personal decision. I have gone through the administrative sector of this very present administration and I've decided to join in the movement. I want to use this medium before I begin to emphasize on other things. I want to use this very medium to give kudos to my uncle, Heda Osamede Ozabo. He's in diaspora. I want to thank you for your great support. He is my uncle. He did all he could to make me to understand the depth of this present administration. The depth of it. This present administration has come to emancipate Edo people. A lot of people are not happy because they know if they give chance to His Excellency and his deputy Shaibu to fulfill all the promises, it will be an eye-opener to everybody. People will begin to see them on the streets and begin to stone them. That not be your mate to do this one, but when I did there for complete 8 years, you know if you do anything. But look at what he did with another 8 years. With 8 years. But you were there for complete 8 years, you could not. They know. You know, I keep telling so many people around me that when you see anybody from diaspora, whether the person can speak eloquently or not, give ears whenever the person wants to talk about overseas, abroad. You have not been there. Our people overseas, our people in diaspora, they are the people with the technical know-how to fix our country, to fix our state. This is one basic reason why so many of our bad politicians keep making our home riotic, so that our people there cannot come home to join us, to help us to build our state. I have come across a lot of people in diaspora. They might be in Europe, so there won't be an opportunity to be good in English. For you to know, people are so intelligent. Most of those European countries they speak their languages. So whenever they are talking, give ears to them, because they have been exposed to developmental mentality. They've been exposed to developmental mentality. Most times when I speak, when I sit down close to most of our brothers who do come from diaspora, sometimes I begin to shed tears. Why? Because if we really look into these things carefully, it is really easy to get our state working. Just take a look at it. Godwin Obaseki is just like an imported governor. He's even a threat to other state governors. He's a big threat. Because the momentum of the development that is about to hit Edo State is going to shock other states. People will begin to rise up in other states to say, Is this not another governor from another state? Why can't you perform like him? So they know that His Excellency did not come for the state money. He's made. Of course you and I know. The same as Oshomole that is against him today said that all the good orchestrations of development in Edo State were all orchestrated by His Excellency Godwin Nwogergas Obaseki, then when he was not yet a governor. You see, greed will keep us in a perpetual bondage if we don't do away with it. You see, greed. Now, to the 1% of Edo youth, the derailed, what is your reason? Yielding along with somebody that has houses all over the world, has aircraft. You can't walk through the street of Edo State and come across a Oshomole child, either son or daughter. What investment has he? Can he boast of 1,500 youth that he has employed? Can he boast of 500? Or if, let me say, 50. 500 is too much. 50 that he has engaged positively that are working in offices. I went to government house the other day. Tears of joy. Oh, glory, hallelujah. Tears of joy was running out of my eyes. Tears of joy. My brother that was with me was like, why are you crying? I said, no, my brother, I'm not crying. You see, this one you're saying is for joy. He said, why? I said, look at all the offices we have been through. You're young boys. You're young boys. You're young girls. I said, this is a great light. I said, this is a great liberation. We went through the verification. These people submitted their applications and they were given jobs. Without my uncle is there, without my auntie is there, without my father is there. What other emancipation do we need? What other emancipation? To the youth. His Excellency Godwin Nwogergas said Obaseki is longing for everybody. I've seen so many videos and comments where people say, why can't the governor arrest this person? Why can't the governor jail this person? He understood so very well that the power as a governor is not to victimize the people. It's not to wish hunt the people. His power is to develop the people. So that is the reason behind that is the reason behind the silence. This is the only reason behind his silence. Know that he's not aware of the power available to him as the governor of the states. He knows very well. He knows very well the authority he has as a governor. Togba, Owagba, Togba. No more retrogression. Forward ever, backward never. Now let me ask us this question, my Edo people. Is it a crime to retire people out of public offices? The people who are overstayed in public offices. Is it a crime? Please, I need answers. Let me soften my throat. Edo State is in safe hand. So I don't have any reason to stress myself anymore. Oyani Bame Samoba. Awuyo Najena. Abba. Victory is ours. Now give me your answers. Is it a crime to retire people who have overstayed in public offices out of public offices. People who have overstayed in public offices were retired, and these are the people who call themselves the aggrieved today. You have been there, and the duration has elapsed. You still want to be there. You know, certain people just believe in Edo State that a public office is their father's property. It's an inheritance. They were building themselves with all kinds of things. They were making themselves so terrific. Not for an intelligent man who knows what is right. You can't frighten him. You can't make him run his eye. Because we are with him 100%. We are with him 100%. This emancipation must get to everybody. I know rehabilitation takes a long time. With time, many of our youth will get to understand that they do not need to condescend so low anymore to begin to clap along with people who do not want the progress of the state. Now, what do you call empowerment? What do you call empowerment? Yourself, what do you call empowerment? The other day, Tony Kabaka was addressing the public. He said he has empowered a lot of youth. He has helped them out of the country. So many people were praising him because they don't have the understanding. As a security personnel I am, the people, after enough and a thorough investigation, the youth that Tony Kabaka and the bad politicians in Edo State sponsored to even go through Libya because there was no time. There was no time for them to, go to embassy, have their visa to travel like others. They were given little amount of money to go through the desert and Libya because they were the youth they used to perpetrate evil, to cause violence in the state. So investigation was being carried out. So many of these youth were about to be located. So they got to understand and they began to relocate these boys. So they can seal up the evil they've done. So many they could kill, they killed. See, the danger that is behind working with devil is too much. It's too much. They can never regard you as a human. They themselves, they know. This one has split blood, so this one is no longer a human being. If we ourselves don't drop this one, it will be a problem to us too. If they cannot successfully take you out of the state or the country, they find a way to eliminate you too. So you that is being sent to go and kill, you that is being sent to go and cause pandemonium, you that is being sent to go and make a police unit riotic, your life is not safe. Even your life is not safe. The people sending you, they can't protect you. They themselves, they are also after you. They are after you. Because if they don't eliminate you, through you, their evil will be exposed. These boys were sent through the desert because they were declared wanted. So many who could go through that Mediterranean Sea. There are some of these our brothers now in diaspora. If you go diaspora, there are a lot of junkies over there. There are so many who went there. The evil they did at home, the blood they spilled, the innocent blood, still make them to go to jail in diaspora. Many of them, they are there. But so many of them went there and they went mad. Because he's still speaking. Innocent blood is still speaking. They are demanding for vengeance. They are demanding for justice. They can't. You can't be yourself when you take a soul. You can never. You can never. If you don't know someone, why gonna feel my body? Why gonna feel my body? Oh, why gonna feel my body? We have to stand up and defend what is right. Let's defend what is right. Let's put aside sentiments. Let's put aside selfishness. So many of you have seen my works ever since I have to join this campaign. I'm campaigning for good. I'm campaigning for the emancipation of our states. I have been running it all alone by the special grace of God and my uncle in Europe. I am not asking anybody to send me a dime, but I will only encourage those in diaspora today who are met and wife. You have brothers, you have sisters, you have fathers, you have mothers. Please send them money within this period. Tell them the purpose for this money is for you not to go to any rally because of money they will share. It's for you not to collect money from any politician that is so desperate to get into power. Just do that. If you do that, you have played your own part. So many of you can't travel back because of the pandemic. Many of you don't even have the voters card. Many of you are asking, in which area can I participate? The area you can participate is this. Send money to that your brother. Send money to that your sister. Send money to that your cousin. Take time, talk to them. The reason why I'm giving you this money is this. Don't go to any rally to collect money. Vote His Excellency Godwin Obaseki and his deputy Shaibu, PDP. Do this. If you do this, you have played your own role. You have done your part. Because, of course, this statement I'm about to make now has a proper verification. The same people who are against His Excellency today, they said with their own mouth, where I go. That is not sharing money. So it's true, my people, it's not sharing money. Since I myself, I have been doing the little I know I can do. Imagine government money. Apart from my own uncle, who said, I am happy you are not one of the youth that is finding it difficult to understand. For this that you have just started, I will encourage you. Whatever you need, is it data? Whatever it is. You see, it's over there. Obaseki His Excellency Obaseki does not even know him one-on-one. Does not even know him. But because they have the developmental mentality, they know that Obaseki has come to emancipate the people and the land, to give them the freedom they desire for years. They are all standing up. If we can't be here, we will be here to support those who understand the movement very well. We are marching forward, Edo people. We are marching forward, Edo people. Edo people, Edo people, Edo people. We are marching forward, Edo people. No more to retrogression. No more. Now look at Tony Kabaka the other day. He said, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki does not listen to anybody. Because he took a proposal to the government house to be in charge of local security. Someone who declared himself a terrorist wants to be in charge of local security. He thought he was addressing, or rather presenting such proposal to a man who have no technical know-how. You want to be in charge of the state local security, a terrorist. You came out and you said before the entire public that guns and dynamite were given to you by Adams Oshomole. Now that's Oshomole who don't get the Osisi Nuwa Nuwaya Honko election. Erima Basaki mo bobo, Otima Basaki emo bobo. Oshomole did all he did for his own selfish interests. Selfish interest. Because I wish the state governor has hands in it, they would have reached a consensus. There would have been modalities that would be guiding such action. So he was never part of it. That was why he could turn back. There's no way anyone can easily turn against you when the person knows that it's part of any conspiracy, maybe to take a soul or to go and steal. You can't deny, because there must be evidence to prove that you are part of this evil. But there's no evidence. It's not part of it at all. He does not want it. He does not want it. When they Tony Kabaka we are your office now, because he would definitely think about it. Yeah, he need you, but he does not need you. Tony Kabaka that our boys are yelling and clapping along with. Tony Kabaka has houses all over the world. Anagberu has houses in London, has houses in America. Be mindful of my statement. I didn't say house. Houses means plural. Plural. On the Bible, boy. Now, take time. Talk to yourself. Unu wejaji Tony Kabaka ya masowe. Undawe is driving exotic cars. So you not make him your shaman. You made him your whole leader. Someone who not talk to you, you will listen. Tell me where he is, man. What do you think he has? Don't you know if you take your own time today to begin to build yourself, you can be much better off than anybody. See, let me make it clear to all of us. All fingers, look at them. They are not equal. Where 10,000 people here will reach us. Where only feel like that person. Where you are doing 10,000 people. Why get they work even more? Because it's not your destiny. So you do not have to be like Tony Kabaka to be rich. Look at many youths today working in government house. Youth. Don't dress corporate, enter office, they under AC, they work. Say, God. My brother, why did you apply? Say, no. No. I have work I'm doing. But this I am saying, I'm happy. At least the attention of these people have been diverted to do the right thing for the state. You can be engaged positively. Not being called one side and be giving guns to go and kill. Be giving guns to go and cause riot. I am happy. I am happy. Those young boys that are working in government's house and those young girls, we are not bearing the same surname, but for a small job from Edo State. Oh, so I say, Upalado. Thank God for this great emancipation. His Excellency came into office. I am telling you all these things. So you have to listen carefully, because I went there to verify all these things. I did not go to see the governor. I went for verification. Because a Canadian winner, una live why I winner bo. Who born na hue, we ga hue bo. Who born na gbo, we ga gbo ba ni. Who born na gwa, we ga gwa bo. I went for verification. There were so many hundreds of public offices. People who were occupying those offices, many they've died. Many have retired. Now you are here, where one person adapted. Keep collecting those salaries. A governor of where the youth manage school yam we pay lega ya kan ma mi winner. So if offices na yaro. No. That was why the moment all these problems all started, so many people were leaving him. These were the greedy people. They call themselves agreed. Greedy people. They want to continue eating. They try to make his excellency to understand where Lare area where area wakaje I fear where here, but now we have fear where here. Then they are not fighting hard to threaten him. No, not in Edo State. I cannot be made at all. I will be a coward if anybody chase me out of my own state. Benimanara, Benimana Goji, Benimana Bomawa. You chase me out of my own land, they never born you well. They never born you well. So to the Edo youth, you guys are my concern. The 1%, I mean. 1%. Jesus Christ said, I am not interested that you perish, but my interest is you come into repentance to enjoy the dividends of the death on the Calvary. The same thing His Excellency is calling everybody for. Valare. It is a new dawn. Let's begin to do it in a new way that will better everybody. In a good way. I said it before. If not for this 1% of Edo youth with Adaso Shomole or Tony Kabaka, tell me, name that rock Tony Kabaka can move alone. Let me take him there. Let him move the rock. Tell me that mountain Adaso Shomole can move alone. Let me take him there. I'll be on live video. Let him move it. My Edo people, please. Hena Yezo. Hena Ibinado. I am supporting His Excellency Governor Obaseki as the governor, Shaibu as the deputy. It is our PVC that will speak for us. People say, a lot of people are commenting that our vote will not count. It's not true. It's not true. Our vote is going to count this time around. If the vote of the masses or the people have never counted for once, go and write it down. It's going to count this time around. And let me assure us again, with the verification that was carried out, there is never going to be any abandoned project. You see this Obaseki. There is never going to be any abandoned projects. As we are talking, as I'm campaigning right here, work is ongoing. Work is ongoing. Why? Igoni agba yikunpa awa gayi. Ne manibu ya aduoge gbiyan. Tony Kabaka on a jet. On a private jet. Only can get mula jana. When I walk one on ya, why you go where you have the other luwa. Edo over lao. Palos of was over reporting few is out of the town. Oya stay with his family overseas. Oh, one family of Jevewe Bodo. Your doy. The house belongs to Tony Kabaka. It's not a rented apartment. Wala wagima ye Wagima yona me. The youth of Edo State, please. Enough. Tony Kabaka just believed where a public office now. Prodigal son, like Adaso Shomole, or what they believe where public office now, no. We the people, we will not allow this to slip off our hands. ga ejide ya ima da ikakaka ima donona ikakaka to wa gba. We will not allow it to slip off our hands. It will be a taboo. It will be a taboo. So my Edo people, I'm begging us. This is the time. There's no other time. Public office is not for some certain people. Una de school, we make one be win at the government house. Then we man be Joe, we in una be where. It can be road 190 win now. But these people you are following don't want to give you the education because they want you to always be there to serve them as slaves. They will take state money, they will use it to empower themselves, make themselves lord over you, so that you continue to worship them. Because they know if you are as well empowered, you will not have time to worship them. You will not have time to worship them. What time will you have? Like I am. What time do I have to worship anybody? I can only follow anybody because of integrity, not for anything anymore. I fought that for myself. I finished my secondary school. There was no hope to go to university. His blessed memory. The man was crying. Where would we listen? Mommy, where are you? Where university? Never buy whatever. Where are mommy? Where are mommy go? Near mommy go. Never see I. I worry. See I went to learn fashion and design. Asamoba Road, Owosheni. Immediately after when you are coming from Tejoshon, immediately after UBA, Owosheni, the man is still getting today, my master. Evanila Wemuna. You are Wemuna for now do Agwal admission. I got admission in Enugu. I took my sewing machine along. I asked sponsor Egbeneye school. Then in my higher national diploma, my elder sister came to rescue me because it was very tough. Because as you climb higher, the program gets higher. And I had to build myself because I saw the future from the inception. Ima oni gbegbo le lorun pa. Ima oni ihe nítorí eva o to ti bi wa me o salopo agbe mi very o. Salopo agbe mi very o. Ima do gbo ko to no le eva, God forbid. Omo logun mama so ni. Omo logun mama so ni. You have to be commanded here and there. All just for what? The same money you can make for yourself. Place yourself well. Position yourself well, and you will be there. Power to the people. Power to the people. Ekelo brelaje. Ario boy vedenedo. Ikara. Ario boy vedo. Avijima avijima. I ko wari guy. I get better avien. Awari yo zai. If you do have a bill, ya print a ladder in my way when I you boy your hair. You allow woo. Allow PDP Lord. Power to the people. His Excellency, God will not get us Obaseki. The Savior! The mentor! Oh, Manuel will be our Manuel will try. Who son of the my baby when I the Lord will never end. Because on my CI my way, you are a man of integrity. A man of integrity can never lose his value. Never. Never. APC, they've been calling me. Even when I posted there before yesterday, or yesterday that I will be out today, they started calling to have me derailed because they thought probably PDP gave me money. PDP did not give me any money. It's my uncle that is sponsoring me and myself, sponsoring all these things that I'm doing. Light must come to Edo State. This is my own quota. This is my own contribution. I don't need anybody before I can do this. I don't need anybody to do this. God has done it already. You know what I mean? I thought that you guys are jokers. You guys are jokers. You guys are jokers. Why making you worry? Why making you worry? After boy, that way I turn away to a wagba, to a bar. If you do menuzomo, my do youth. It is as simple as ABCD. I am not the most eloquent Edo youth. You can do better than I'm doing right now. All you just need to do is to change your mind. To do the right thing. Stop yelling. Stop clapping along with them. Calm down, my brother. Calm down. Come and be part of the development. How long are we going to continue to use our own hands to afflict ourselves in our own land? The land that belongs to us. This land belongs to us. It is ours. When no mana o mani maya, bagi maya la wuwu. If you do, ekeni maridi sekeni maridi rane. Wagi mario bo yeri ma yeke otima onkorima. Korinogega se Obaseki and his deputy Shahibu. May the Lord continue to bless us all. If you are in overseas, if you are in diaspora, you have every opportunity to come home and you have your PVC. My brother, I'm assuring you to come home. Owawama, Atanai. A governor talk, where bode, and a bode lady. The governor talk say, a bode. The governor talk say, a bode, and truly my people, a bode. Truly my do people, a bode. Mane black people, mahayo bima ya dole bima say. So to the Edo youth, please, Adasosomole has a private jet. Captain Osa has a private jet. Tony Kabaka has a private jet. If he gets out of hand on that day, you are not going to see them. Please, because the state security agencies are on ground. Not to be friendly with anybody that will be doing anything that will be controversial on that day. Your only participation in election is your PVC. Go to your polling units and vote. If you wish to stay, for them to count the vote, be there. Peacefully. Please, don't fall this victim. Don't fall a victim. Please. Please, I'm begging you all. Greed. All of greed. Greed is their problem. Greed. Greed. Not any other thing. Greed. Tony Kabaka on Egbe. Tony Kabaka has houses all over the world. Go and kill Joro. Go and destroy Joro. Has houses everywhere. His children, his family, when I walk one. Your own father will be in pulling that day. Ijue, your brothers, your sisters. The very pulling unit you want to go and cause problem that day. You don't know which of your family members that might be there. The bullet you're going to be shooting randomly, you don't know who that bullet is going to bring down. So please, he that lives in a glass house just don't need to throw a stone. Edo State is our own. Even till this very time, I feel bad because you know you have it might be your brother, it might be your sister, it might be your mother. If you are out there, you are against, if you are against His Excellency, if you are against PDP, so if you don't know, you should know now. Turn away and turn a new leaf. Come back. Who are these people commanding you around? Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? Agbona Tabitenwa. Even all they have. Why all of them, I say Yayima. I say Yayima. Vanities. If they mean anything to me, I wouldn't have been out today. Ekora Gelegbegbe no there. APC Naga tie. Iyan where I go. Waje Jamiegbe. I might him yegbe. Erudigo guwe. I'll be a fool for me to see light and I'll look for something to cover the light. I'll be a fool. No one can command me around. So wagba. Why are we Why getting faith? We have to keep the good work moving. Why getting faith? Why are we You can see it. The mega book of promises kept. A promises in not yearly within 3 to 4 years. Akueni, ona arrange. Now no big dena avec tani. I have bad any project. Yeah, do mind if you see if you couldn't jot anything down throughout all this my conversation, I'm gonna write this very one down because I'm repeating it again. I'm going to recap. I'm gonna write it down. No project will be abandoned under this administration. So many of our brothers have been speaking with you all, those in APC. We talk, we chat. I have to be frank with everybody here. We talk, we chat. There are so many responsible ones too with APCO. They just said they are there. From the states. They said they have money to share around. So we want to eat. When we eat, on that day we'll go and vote for His Excellency. Of course, now Obaseki now. That's what many of them are saying. But I'm telling them that no. What I want us to achieve is His Excellency completely. Even at this time that we have not gone to pulling unit, our declare where the other aspirant is on his own. As Asosomole, Tony Kabaka and Katosa, they are on their own. But anyway, it's our money they are sharing. We are going to go and collect our money. But we are with His Excellency, God will not get us Obaseki. We are all entitled to our own decision and opinions. But of the truth, Imam no preserve Iyamude, Imam no Boude, Imam no Hamano Hian, Imam no Hamano Hian, Imam no Hamano West New York, Wallace New York. Oh, what are you going to have your investment? Why we belekwa? Udeva, where Deva? Apart from only this very present election that is coming, where Deva phone forever and ever, you are not going there. What you tell you boning? You cannot sit there. You cannot. We are going to work constantly and persistently, consistently with our brothers in diaspora, our sisters, our people. They are the people with the technical know-how. They have the developmental mentality. That is why these our bad politicians are making our home riotic so that our brothers cannot freely come back home. Because if they begin to come back home, there will be an eye opener to us. Yes. But enough is enough. We are going to work out to intensify the tranquility in Edo State. There must be peace. There must be peace. Wayawa Wese, PDP, power to the people. Continue to support His Excellency, our father, our brother, our uncle. God will not let us say Obaseki and his deputy, Shaibu.
Now when you don't hear, say fast. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, make you also help us share this video. Thank you for watching them ARG YouTube.